What is going on, crypto traders, investors, and enthusiasts? Hello, how are you? Good day. Sorry I'm a little late on the video, but been busy. Been busy, got the daughter, got random side work, and then checking these charts out. Luckily, it's been a little boring all the way up until right now. Anyways, please, if you haven't done it yet, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the subscribe. These videos are very time sensitive considering they are trade setups. This is not to be used as financial advice, but only for entertainment value only. Anyways, without further ado, we are going to get into Bitcoin. We are going to do an update on GMT, and we are going to look at RVN Raven token as another update as well. If you guys want me to do any particular tokens, please drop a comment below, leave the token that you want me to review, and then we can go into it from there. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump onto the charts. So, looking at Bitcoin right now, we're on the 1 hour. I don't know why, but let's go to the 4 hour. So, 4 hour, we can see the whales are playing their games. They are definitely playing their games. So you can see we were going off this supply line. We ended up breaking to the upside, fake out, drop back down to the downside. Guess what? We had support sitting right down here at 29,370. And now looks like Bitcoin wants to wake up again and go to the upside. So what do we make out of this movement? Anyways, we could literally just bring the supply line down here. That's our new supply line. This does happen every once in a while where they do just reset their trend line. So here's our supply line now. You're expecting this to hold. We do have a measured move now, which is actually pretty substantial considering from bottom to top of this structure. And now we're getting our breakout. If this plays out, if the whales are willing to allow this to happen, we're looking at 16% to the upside for Bitcoin, which would land us at 34,899. Don't get me wrong, it's probably not going to go in a straight line. Let's be real. There's going to be some chop. But the ideal thing is we're going to regard this entire supply line the entire way up. So whether we go up, down, sideways, whatever, we just keep putting in higher lows. That's what we really want to do. Anyways, you are just above support, two separate support levels. We have about 2 hours and 47 minutes until not only the 4 hourly close, but the daily candle close. So the daily could close on the outside of this structure, which is great because then we would be regarding it as support. So that is absolutely phenomenal. Daily, we're still severely oversold, and we are looking for a bounce to the upside, especially considering first time ever Bitcoin put in 7 consecutive weeks of negative momentum. So I mean, are we going to put in an 8th? Not all the way sure. Possibility. We're going to find out. But on the 4 hour, we can see the stochastic RSI has brought itself down by way of moving sideways, which is absolutely phenomenal. Very bullish indeed. So we could be looking to start making our move to the upside. We have triple, we can argue triple bullish divergence. We can also see we have reset the MACD, now putting in positive momentum. So Bitcoin's looking pretty darn bullish. You're looking at a 16% move over time, possible, provided we don't get faked out again like we did over here. Anyways, without further ado, let's move on to the altcoins, because if we know Bitcoin's going up, guess what else is moving? Them altcoins. So let's go ahead and get a little update on GMT. So GMT, we did have a different structure last video I posted. Sorry, things changed. So now we, just like Bitcoin, we reset our lines, redefined them. So now we actually have a very, very interesting thing here where it's a much more bullish pattern. So we can take this, extrapolate. When you get the breakout, there you go. That's where you're headed. Anywhere between this $2.46 and $2.67. So you're looking anywhere between a 55 to about a 68% swing to the upside. So GMT looking solid, just like Bitcoin. It's looking good, and that's what we really want to see. So looking at the 1 hour, you can see on the relative strength index, we are starting to go up. The stochastic RSI is trying to say, oh yeah, we've topped out. Don't believe that for 1 second. I do believe we're about to go up. So if you were going to put a long in right now, your stop loss would actually be down here at $1.42.4, and profit taking level could be any level like 178, 204, 205, and then of course all the way up here 267. So 267, that is the profit taking levels. Anyways, hopefully you guys are watching this because you have the notifications dinged and you're subscribed, because these are life-changing gains here. Anyways, now we're going to check out Ravencoin as another update video. So I'm flying through these. If you guys have any questions in the comments, please drop them in the comments. Just do it. So you can see Ravencoin doing the same thing that everything else is doing. I've been in long in Ravencoin since we tapped on the supply line, so I'm kind of sitting pretty on this trade, not gonna lie. But for those of you who are not subscribed to the channel and had the notifications on, right now could possibly be your time to get in long. We did redefine this level, which noted it's not like we really fell too far out of it. We did regard it as resistance, but we're bouncing up against it again. We can see the bearish divergence on the MACD, so keep that in mind. You can see the negative momentum looking like it's starting to wane, starting to have a possibility of going up. So take this with a grain of salt. I mean, this could turn on you. This really could. I'm feeling bullish because Bitcoin's bullish, so Bitcoin could drag this bad boy up. Just a heads up there. Now, we did have this downward pressure. This downward pressure is what we really needed to break above. You can see right here we broke above it. We regarded it as a support level right here. So support level, and then we just kind of traded sideways. Now we're trying to round out that bottom. Rounded bottoms usually mean a move to the upside. Usually, sometimes they get disrespected. So needless to say, we do need to rethink this line, bring it down here a little bit. And then we also need to get rid of this, because this doesn't matter anymore. Your new line you have to break is this level of resistance, oddly enough. So it is putting in more of a rising, like, I forgot what the name is, but it's a triangle going to the upside. I forgot what the name is. That's on me. Anyways, you're also in this no man's land. You are above support. You are using the 20 EMA as support, and you're finding a little bit of upside pressure, which is great. That's on the 4 hour. Let's go down to the 1 hour and let's see if this is going to continue. So the 1 hour is actually showing a lot more bullishness. Let's go into the upside on the relative strength index. You can see that down there. Let's go ahead and look at the MACD. MACD is putting in surprisingly bearish divergence. So we're going to see if that actually plays out, because we also have triple bearish divergent. This could fall. This could fall. So maybe we should not have changed it. Anyways, once again, if Bitcoin goes up, Ravencoin's going to go up with it. And my price target is up here at $3 or 0.3904. So take that with a grain of salt. If you do fall, you would be looking to backtest this level down here at 2756. So if you happen to break this supply line here and go to the downside, and or keep utilizing this as a resistance, which it looks like you're breaking above right now, then you would be seeing a downward move straight down here to 2756. So that could give you on a short, you could be looking at 10% downside possible, which would count as a back test before trying to see higher prices, provided you held. Need to hold that level. Anyways, hopefully this video helps you out. Hopefully your trades are going well, and without further ado, take it easy. Go ahead, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Twitch, and jump into the Discord, where I post random trade setups, kind of like Jasmine posted this random trade setup here in the Discord. Discord got notified. They actually saw the target was actually a little lower right down here. Jasmine just kept going. Anyways, they saw the target was a little bit lower. Anybody who got in on that trade enjoyed themselves. So join the Discord, get notified of random things that I find like this, and then Yeah, let's all make some gains. Let's take advantage of this market. I'm out of here. Take it easy. Deuces.